Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn off autocorrect on iPhone in 2024. This is very easy method. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to settings. After that you need scroll down and click general, and here you must click keyboard, and here we must turn off these two settings: autocorrection and predictive. And let's try. Go to notes, and as you can see, we don't have predictive and we don't have autocorrect. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.